Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. I'm a little further back because I wanted you to see what I have done. With a few pieces of wonky wood, I now have a somewhat stable temporary workbench. So, as you can see, I have added a 2x4 piece in the front, notched to rest over the end of the trestle. There's a second one here, and there's a wonky piece of 1x12 there acting as a tool well. Then what you can't see is I have two crisscrosses down on this end, sort of kind of locked in place. And then I have another 1x6 notched to go over the lower rails, tying it all together. So, there's an old saying: your workbench should be your most important tool in the shop. And you don't realize that until you try to make something without having a workbench. So, this tells me that I will have to agree. You need a workbench. You need some place to do your work. And while this is not perfect yet, I still have these clamps in the way. What would be excellent is if I can come up with some way to fasten the main bench top down without screws, but I may do just a simple cleat underneath, screwed to the bottom of the worktop, and then maybe drill. I don't want to drill into the trestles. I know I can make wedges. I can make some sort of a wedge system where I have cleats underneath the top that go past the trestle and then drive a wedge into it to pull it down to the trestle. There you go. So, I hope you're having a good day. This was my last doctor's appointment with the hand surgeon. And in a couple of days, let's see, today is 26, 27. Yeah, in about 3 more days, it will have been 7 months since my accident. And the good doctor and I have come to a consensus that it is as good as it's going to be. So, his recommendation is to keep it moving and wait and see, because there's still a lot of pain, tingling, nerve damage, and it goes all the way up into the pointing finger. The middle finger is not so bad, but there's a lot of nerve damage. That may remodel itself over time, or it may not. So that is the end of that story. Now comes the question, do I continue adapting to left-hand planing, or do I go back to right-hand planing? That's a good question. It may require some sort of a pad to prevent the pain. It's not so bad. I like having this tool well. Hammer, oil in a can, double square, knife, someplace for my glasses, other than on my face, and then someplace to push all the shavings out of the way. I know it's been a long time coming, but it's here now. So there's that. I'm going to look. I remember seeing a clamp, a squeeze clamp, or a cam clamp that is used to hold down, well, different things, but they go into a hole or into a keyway and pull down. I could put one of them right out here, drill a hole in the workbench top, slide it in and come in underneath, and that would get rid of these clamps, at least these two. If I find what I'm looking for, I'll leave a link down in the description box so you can see what I was talking about. I'm not trimming this all to length yet because I'm going to live with it and proceed onto the sharpening station build. Got to get a sharpening station built. That's next, because I have a suitable work surface, albeit temporary. Get the sharpening station build, and I'm going to give more thought as to what type of workbench I'm going to build. This is 5 foot, 60 inches. Or, for those of you in the metric world, 152 and a half, 152.5 centimeters, or 1,525 millimeters. Metric. Keep my metric tape measure handy. Head out to your workshop. If you don't have a suitable work surface, whether it be a temporary one or a permanent workbench, or if you don't like the workbench you have, Stick around. We'll think this one through. In fact, I have a book here called The Workbench Book by Scott Landis. Perhaps I can find inspiration in here as to the style that I want. I do know one thing. "90-degree joints," okay, are not as strong as a joint that's at an angle. When you triangulate something, you add a lot of strength. So we'll talk more about that. That's about it. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.